What is the first thing people notice when walking into your home? Well, it's the floor. When it comes to choosing the right flooring, let your space be your guide. How often is it used? Does it get a lot of foot traffic? Are there any moisture or temperature factors to account for? Let's start with kitchen flooring. The kitchen is the busiest room in the house. Whether you're cooking for one or serving meals up family style, it's the place for socializing. Both solid and engineered hardwood are great choices. Worry about water? Don't. There are new waterproof 100% hardwood flooring products from brands like Bruce that bring together the beauty of hardwood, waterproof protection, durability, and the ease of do-it-yourself friendly installation. For instance, Hydropel is an engineered hardwood infused with proprietary technology to resist water for up to 36 hours so that it can be installed anywhere in any room of the home. The Bruce story is a real American story. Most of its USA-made products are harvested from the Appalachian Mountains, making Bruce the nation's leading manufacturer of North American hardwood flooring. It's authentic. Simply put, with real wood, customers get the beauty, feel, prestige, and the strength of a real natural product. Hardwood is the most enduring floor you can put down. It's the floor that ages with grace. Whether you're choosing to flip a house or stay put for the long haul, wood flooring is an investment that not only brings value now, but also down the road when it's time to sell. Hardwood flooring has long been the top choice for buyers and remains so in today's market. No other flooring option contributes to the resale value of a home like hardwood. While other options aspire to imitate, nothing compares to the true beauty of authentic hardwood. Real wood is the real deal. We had the opportunity to work on a homeowner's makeover. They chose the entrance hall and the dining room. The entrance hall featured red brick, which had been in the home for over 30 years. The dining room featured slate, red, and green. Needless to say, they wanted an upgrade, so they wanted something that was very modern and yet classic. So we chose Bruce engineered hardwood flooring. We think it turned out great. Bruce has a proud legacy of authentic American craftsmanship since 1884. It's one of the oldest, most recognizable, and most respected names in hardwood. Bruce also is the preferred brand for the trade professional, providing best-in-class hardwood flooring material, construction, technologies, and support. It's USA made. Wood delivers warmth, visually and to the touch, providing beauty and comfort to a wide variety of spaces. Whether your choice is solid hardwood or engineered hardwood, Bruce is our choice for your ultimate home. Find out more at bruce.com.